Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Last class we discussed geometrical concepts of trigonometric functions. What we consider x-axis, y-axis. Okay, take a circle, P of x, y, be any point on the circle, join OP. Okay, draw P and perpendicular to x-axis such that OM represent x, PM represent y, OP represent r. And this is angle theta, theta the base it is OM, PM is opposite side and OP hypotenuse. Everything I explained in the last class. Okay, and just concentrate here. Angle OMP forms 90 degree, correct? And angle XOP we consider it is theta. And also we know that by using the definition sin theta already given y by r. Just go through the previous video. Cos theta, see, sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, this is opposite hypotenuse, y by r. Cos theta means what? Base by hypotenuse means it is x by r. Okay, next tan theta. Tan theta means opposite by base, y by x. Correct. Next, cosec theta. Cosec theta means reciprocal of sine, means r by 1. Sec theta, reciprocal of cos means r by x. Cot theta, what? Reciprocal of tan means it is x by 1. Okay. Already I explained in the previous video. Next, in triangle OMP, angle M is 90 degree. Right? Using Pythagoras theorem, we know that OP square is equal to OM square. OP square is equal to OM square plus MP square. You know that already Pythagoras theorem. What? Sum of the squares of the sides is equal to the squares of the hypotenuse. That is OP square is equal to OM square plus MP square. That is OP square means what it is? R square, OM is x square, PM or MP, y square. Rewrite this one. It is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to r square. All this is question 1. From the figure we calculated x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, next, divide the equation 1 throughout by r square. Okay, divide equation 1 throughout by r square. Divide it. X square by r square plus y square by r square is r square by r square. Correct. Next, this can also be written as x by r the whole square plus y by r the whole square, r square by r square, nothing but what it is? 1. Okay, and we know that, see, x by r nothing but cos theta, means we can write cos theta the whole square. Y by r nothing but sin theta, means we can write this sin theta the whole square equal to 1. Correct. And cos theta the whole square can be written as cos square theta plus sin theta the whole square, we can write sin square theta. Means we proved what? By using this equation, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Please remember this formula, conditional identities. Okay, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. What we have done here? dividing through by r square will get this. I hope understood everyone. Okay, we are using which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we'll take next. Again, we are considering the equation 1, that is x square plus y square equal to r. Okay. First, what we have done? Divide throughout by r square. Next, take divide equation 1 throughout by x square, 1 by 1 into the variables. Okay, next we'll see what happens. We'll get this x square by x square plus y square by x square equal to r square by x square. Okay, divide both by square. We'll get x square get cancelled, left 1 plus y by x. Y square by x square means y by x the whole square. R square by x square means r by x the 1 plus c. Y by x represent what it is? Tan theta. Tan theta the whole square. R by x, just concentrate. R by x nothing but sec theta. Means we can write sec theta the whole square. Means we get this 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Means we do another one identities. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Did you understand? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು x square plus y square equal to r square ಹಾಕಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ r ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. r ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು? sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. ಈಗ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? x ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಮೂರು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿಲೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಏನೇನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೋ ಯೋಚನೆ 1 by 1 ತೊಗೊತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? x ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 plus tan theta the whole square plus sec theta whole square ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ only another one last possibility, divide throughout by y square. Divide throughout by y square. The same equation we are dividing by y square. We get this x square by y square plus y square by y square equal to r square by x square. And we can add this one as x by y the whole square. Y square get cancelled 1 equal to r by y the okay. Then x by y, just concentrate. X by y represent cot theta. Means we can write cot theta the whole square plus 1 equal to r by y. R by y means cosec theta. Cosec theta the whole square. Means we can write this one is in the form of cot square theta plus 1 is cosec square theta, or we can rearrange cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. These are the three conditional identities we proved by using geometrical concept of trigonometric functions. Did you understand? By using x square plus y square equal to r square, by knowing the definition of sin theta equal to y by r, cos theta equal to x by r, tan theta equal to y by x. Okay, by knowing that definition we proved the three conditional identities. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. These are we call it as conditional identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This equation can also be written as just sin square theta is 1 take minus cos square theta plus cos will take right hand side. Next, cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. I hope everyone know that, but please perfect and make a chart and every day how to practice, because using these formulas we can do the examples. Please don't skip. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಾದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದು ತಗೋರಿ, ಬರೆದು ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ನಂತರ ಡೈಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾರ್ದ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ವೆರಿ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೂ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಥರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ನೀವು 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Tan square theta we can write tan square theta we can write secant square theta plus 1 we go to means secant square theta, or else we can another one form we can write c 1 equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, next one is 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta, and cot square theta we can write cosec square theta minus 1. Then 1 you can write this one is in terms of cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, these are the important conditional identities. Okay, first one is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Just remember that 1 in terms of sin and cos is sin square theta plus cos square theta. 1 in terms of sec and tan is secant square theta minus tan square theta. 1 in terms of cosec and cot is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. There are 3 possibilities. 3 possibilities exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. sin square theta plus cos square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 equal to sec ಮತ್ತೆ tan ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to ಅಂದ್ರು 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cosec square theta minus cot square theta ಅಂದ್ರು 1. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು sin square theta ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದ್ರಿ? 1 minus cos square theta. cos square theta ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು? 1 minus sin square theta. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 plus tan square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? secant square theta. tan square theta ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೋದು? secant square theta minus 1. Next 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Cot square theta can be written as cosec square theta minus 1. Please remember all the basic concepts. Okay, without basic concepts we can't do the next examples. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮೊದಲು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೋರಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. These basic concepts are very very important. I hope understood everyone. Thank you.